Hello everyone, today we have quinoa pudding, gluten-free, lactose-free, and beautiful aroma and taste. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I'm pastry champion of Egypt and Africa 2011. Working cruise line, corporate pastry chef for many company like Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean. All my skill, I make this channel. 100 gram quinoa, soak for 6 hours in 300 gram water. So 1 to 3. 100 gram quinoa, 300 gram water, soak 5-6 hours, and will be great if you leave it overnight. You can cover plastic, keep in the fridge, or you can keep in room temperature. We are in the winter, so you can keep in room temperature. And then we make it with coconut milk. We use coconut milk. We make cannelle for presentation with coconut cream. After 6 hours or overnight, you strain quinoa from water, and then we start the process to cook it. 20 gram of vegetable butter or oil or cacao butter. So you have 3 choices to use. Vegetable oil, butter, vegetarian or vegan butter, or cocoa butter or cacao butter. Then you cook it until got the aroma and the flavor. When we cook quinoa, we must reduce the heat to take time You cook it for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, you can see it's already cooked. You can feel it, you can take little piece and touch it. And then we added 200 gram coconut milk, 300 gram water. So you need 500 gram liquid. And later on, you can add 100 gram coconut cream to give more aroma and flavor. You can use coconut milk or coconut cream. If you not lactose, you can use normal fresh milk, and this will cook very nice. Later on, we added the sugar for 500 milli of liquid. Normally, I added 100 gram sugar. In case you have diabetes passenger, you can add substituted sugar like stevia sugar or equal or whatever alternative substitute sugar you can use. Slow cooking, let the quinoa enjoying cooking to absorb the flavor and aroma of coconut. Feel free if you want to add fresh vanilla or sugar vanilla or vanilla essence, even your coconut essence, whatever you want. I prefer to add star anise. It gives much nice flavor. Here 100 gram sugar. The sugar is depend on you. You want it to more sweet, you want less sweet. It's in your hand. And then you can control it. You can see it's beautiful. I can smell from here. This is optional if you want to add coconut cream. It's give more aroma and flavor. If not, you can replace it with coconut milk. If not, you can make fresh cream or fresh milk if you're not lactose tolerant. Then you serve it in bowl or glass. It's up to you. It's vegan. It's fantastic. Here the garnish. This coconut cream. I whip coconut cream to make cannelle or any vegetable cream you wanted to use. And then with small touch of pistachio or cashew, whatever you want to make. This is one of the best vegan dessert I make for my passenger. When I make coconut cream, I keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Then with hot spoon, I make nice cannelle. Then I decorate it. Little pistachio or whatever nuts you want. Maybe fresh mint or eatable flour. It's up to you. I always say, don't work harder, but work smarter. Ahmed Yunus. One of the best vegan dessert you can make. Gluten-free, lactose-free. Ahmed Yunus.